Built to last. Mining, recycling and construction. Across the UK, construction is no longer just about bricks and mortar. It's a story of precision, power and progress. In today's programme, Executive TV explores the world of construction, going behind the scenes to look at the industries and companies that create the world around us. Teampole provides different types of construction services focused on the improvement and finishing of buildings. These include external wall insulation, rendering, cladding and facade solutions, and so much more.
The history of Teampole, we started in 2006. That's actually when the company was registered, so nearly 20 years ago. I was on the tools myself, working with a small team, and we've been getting busier and busier. Originally, we've been concentrating mainly on rendering, external wall insulation, and over the time, we developed to be in position where we are now. We're providing tool systems, one-stop shop for clients. We've got now our own design team. We can look at the tool system, advise on the timing, suitable systems for industry needs. Teampole Limited offer a wide range of the systems, true wool systems. So once we get involved in early stage, we can advise client of the best suitable system solution. Value engineering, we can develop system including all detailing. This is very specialist environment when you need to look for every aspect, including U value, thermal, wind load, also build up itself for industry needs. Different cladding, there is plenty available on the market, but you need the one which carry all the relevant testings, could be signed off by strict building regulation, fire regulation. So that's element we can advise and provide the value engineered system for our clients.
Project design is important due to the fact that without it, nothing happens. So you actually have to design every single part of a building and be cohesive with lots of other trades in the sector. And the only way to really communicate that is through drawings, essentially.
TSAB design, build and deliver robust and reliable crushers, screeners and bulk handling systems for the mining, quarrying and recycling industries.
The principal values associated for TSAB are focused toward our customers. We need to understand what operators need on site and building machines that make their jobs easier and much more productive. We work as a partnership with our dealer network worldwide. We work closely with distributors, customers all around the world. Continuous improvement is a key value for us, always refining our equipment to driving better performance, efficiencies, durability, as well as improving the processes within the company. Lean manufacturing is a significant focus for our business, trying to drive efficiencies and improvements in everything we do, both on the shop floor and through the offices. We have a strong commitment to our quality, we have a strong commitment to safety, and we have a strong commitment to our productivity. TSAB offer a wide variety of equipment ranging from crushing, screening, material handling equipment.
We carry a full range of jaw, impactor and cone crushers, also with a full screening and scalping range with a stacker range to complement this. Our jaw crushers we carry is a full range suitable for small scale recycling jobs right up to primary heavy duty applications for the quarrying and mining sector. Our impact crushers, including the new 623 TR and legacy 1012 and 1412 TSAB models, are designed for the aggregates and asphalt industry, and we also offer our cycling style impact crushers like the 824 and 1125 TR. Our cone crusher, the 200 TC, is rapidly gaining reputation as a well-performing cone crusher in its class worldwide. This includes the latest technology in this machine for remote monitoring of wear items, and this has been heavily utilised in our distributors' rental fleets globally.
Our engineering experience, developing innovative solutions is second to none. We tailor our solutions specific to the aggregates recycling industries exactly as per our customers' requirements. Our global distribution network provides machines to customers across multiple markets, with parts, after-sales support, service to ensure the machines remain productive and operational. Our global team of service engineers makes sure that every customer is trained on the operational of the machines as well as the service and maintenance of all the machines worldwide. We provide the technical guidance, the service support to help the customers maximize performance, because as per our core values, the customer becomes first in everything we do.
We partner with strong established dealers who really understand the local markets. We support these dealers with factory training, technical aftermarket support and direct access to our global TSAB parts and engineering teams. This really ensures the customers achieve real-time, high-quality support wherever they operate. The TSAB training focuses really on correct setup, efficient operation and preventive maintenance. When operators understand how to run the machines properly, it reduces unnecessary wear, prevents downtime and extends the life of the equipment. We host dealer training academies regularly and have service technicians located around the world to best serve our customers. Initially, what we will do is we hold a detailed assessment of material type, feed size and required final product. We'll do a deep analysis of targeted throughput and production goals. We'll do a site evaluation, access and build requirements. How can we improve the customer's efficiency? And this is really at our priority. We'll design a complete crushing and screening range, not just standard machines. And what we'll also do is we ensure all equipment integrates efficiently for maximum performance.
AV Industrial Products specialize in the design, manufacture and supply of anti-vibration mounts, rubber mounts and engineering components for a wide range of industries.
The company was founded in 1992 to specialise in the control of vibration in industrial machines and vehicles. We assist customers with reducing vibration in their machinery. That means that we model and simulate applications. We look at the vibration of a piece of equipment and ultimately we propose a solution to reduce and control that vibration. As a company, we focus on technical accuracy. So what we do is we use our range of tools, computer simulation, modelling, physical testing to ensure that when we make a recommendation we get it right first time. Vibration control should always be considered at the outset of a project. So basically looking at things like the mass of the equipment, the centre of gravity, the frequencies, running speeds and allowing us as anti-vibration specialists to review all of the data before the machine is designed and built. The best practices within the industry are never to make assumptions, always to simulate, to test and to model. That way we can ensure that the solution and the control of the vibration is the best it possibly can be. Testing is critical. It confirms that the theoretical calculations and modelling that we've conducted are the reality of the situation. So by testing, you can confirm that they perform as planned.
Across industries, there is an ongoing pressure to improve productivity while keeping costs low. At the same time, maintaining strict safety standards in often hazardous environments remains a constant and critical challenge.
So the sector is operating under significant pressure to improve productivity and reliability while controlling cost. Machines are expected to run harder and for longer, so validation at design stage has become far more important. That's why proper engineering input early on is now critical rather than optional. So we begin by gathering technical inputs, mass, operating speeds, load distribution and environmental factors. We then model and simulate the vibration behaviour and validate where necessary. That ensures that the mounting is correctly specified for that machine. Through our technical engineering support services, customers reduce risk and avoid costly design errors. They gain confidence that the vibration system has been engineered properly from the outset. Vibration testing and site survey analysis help us to identify the true source of vibration issues rather than guessing. FFT analysis and measurement allow us to diagnose resonance or excessive movement accurately. To ensure fast lead times while simultaneously maintaining high quality, we combine efficient supply coordination with strict technical control and validation. Speed is important, but not at the expense of performance. The industries that benefit the most from our services and solutions are heavy construction, off-highway equipment and industrial machinery sectors. These environments demand durability and reliable vibration isolation. So we develop bespoke rubber mount designs for unique applications by working closely with engineering teams to define the technical requirements, then model, prototype and validate performance. The design is built around the machine, not adapted afterwards. Our decades of experience allows us to anticipate issues before they arise. We've seen how vibration problems develop over time, so we engineer to prevent them.
Building excellence basically means that we are designing machines that are built to perform in the toughest of environments. We supply machines all around the world, so every machine is developed with a focus on the durability, the efficiency and the ease of operation, as well as the ease of maintenance of our machines. Excellence just isn't about the product, it's about the team effort. So we focus strongly on how we support our customers, support our engineering systems, our manufacturing processes, and the supports that we deliver behind them, including our aftermarkets and after sales for parts. We take feedback from real operators We use this continually to improve our product. We continually improve our service and to improve the crushers, the screeners and the material process equipment that we supply. Historically, TSAB's equipment has been engineered for the mining and heavy industries, particularly in and around aggregate and quarrying. In the past 10 years or so, there's been more and more involvement into construction and infrastructure projects, including recycling and material recovery. So these industries rely on equipment that has to be reliable, it has to be powerful and efficient, which is exactly what TSAB is known for, and that's exactly what we do.
Choosing the right crushing sequence begins with understanding the customer's operational needs. We assess key factors such as material type, particle size distribution, target production rates, and the final product specification. With this information, we can model a range of process layouts, allowing us to recommend an option or an optimal solution that balances performance, budget, and efficiency. Often achieving the desired output is a matter of evaluating trade-offs, and our simulation software helps customers visualize this and how different configurations will perform. We also consider secondary and tertiary processing needs, material flow efficiency between machines, and overall application. Whether it's aggregate production, recycling, or a specialised material, our goal is to deliver a process that is efficient, reliable, and fully aligned with the customer's business objectives.
In today's construction, there is a lot of challenges. The bigger one, of course, is the budgets, safety, then right products. So budgets, there are loads of different products. Some are very expensive, but that's the challenge, is to make sure that we've got right product, right system in client budgets, and everyone is happy. So that's the challenge. The biggest challenge is what I can think what client facing, of course, the time and probably money. Client want, stunning building and, make some, profits, to look. So depending, where the building is located, it could be in central London, and there's more like logistic challenges as well. Systems and sustainability, client like, have the building, pay once, and for 60 years, not to go back. So that's challenges is actually look for every element, how we maintain the product. First of all, the selection of right product, carry-on certification, which would be durable. Then maintenance, inspections. Everyone no maintenance products, but depending where it's located, seaside, central London, pollution is high. That's again challenges. So loads of different kind of challenges. These days, overall construction is very challenging, especially in cladding industry, when after Grenfell tragedy, loads of regulation, loads of material was reviewed, withdrawn, and the government influencing stricter and stricter restrictions, looking in more details in every element, every materials, all testings. In the past wasn't like that, was more relaxed, so that's the biggest challenges. Also qualifications, workforce, proper training for workforce, installers on site. That's what is challenging, because less and less people is willing to do the work. There's plenty of people, but not everyone want to be in construction industry. So that's, I think, the biggest challenges. Building excellence means to us the higher standard in design, materials, quality of works. That's the building excellence in the facade industry.
Innovation is transforming industries through automation, digital monitoring, and advanced machinery.
The accuracy of the information that's provided to us is critical to providing an accurate calculation. So the more information a customer can provide to us at the outset, things like the mass, the centre of gravity, the running speed, the more accurate our calculations can be. The current software packages that are available for computer simulation and modelling are excellent tools for a vibration engineer. They allow us to calculate and predict the performance of a piece of machine before it's built. Manufacturers can strengthen their technical evaluation by ensuring that the technical details are defined from the outset of the project. This includes things like the mass, centre of gravity, running speed, so that all points can be considered at the outset of the project. A high-performance anti-vibration mounting is distinguished by ensuring that the technical characteristics of the product are matched with the characteristics of the application. So things like the natural frequency against the disturbing frequency of the equipment. Looking at things like the natural frequency of the product and the disturbing frequency of the equipment and ensuring that they align. Innovation for us is how we improve and how we validate anti-vibration systems. So whether that's the development of software, testing facilities, or the products and the materials themselves. We continuously strive to push forward with the technology that the company uses. The main innovations that are reshaping the sector are the simulation and modelling software and tools. However, products themselves are evolving, so things like elastic mountings, for example.
At TSAB, we utilise the latest manufacturing technologies to ensure our products meet the highest quality for our customers. This starts at the design phase using computer-aided design and stress analysis software. During manufacturing, we use precision CNC and laser cutting equipment right through to production and quality, with inspection on all components using calibrated manufacturing equipment. TSAB is an ISO 9001 accredited business. This demonstrates our commitment to the highest quality standards. We have a comprehensive product update process that ensures engineering changes are planned, completed and recorded through each stage of implementation.
Innovation people mean constant improvement, details improvement, process improvement, quality improvement. That means innovation for Timpol.
Sustainability is becoming central, particularly through recycling materials and reducing reliance on newly extracted resources.
Robust design isn't optional, it's essential. Aggregate and recycling operations expose equipment to some of the toughest conditions imaginable. High loads, abrasive materials, extreme temperatures, and both remote and urban working environments. TSAB machines must perform reliably for a wide range of operators, skill levels and applications. That's why we engineer simplicity, flexibility and durability into every model, offering options and configurations that allow the machines to excel in any scenario. Unplanned downtime is costly for customers, so reliability is priority. A strong design framework helps minimise fatigue failures, extend wear life and reduce maintenance requirements. Ultimately, a robust machine protects the customer's investment and ensures consistent, safe and efficient performance.
Where we're driving to sustainability, energy efficiency. That's where we're trying to go and improve the building. So spending less money on fuel, energy, heating the building. By improving the buildings, you can save some money, but also environment. Facade is not as a skin of the building. It's actually much more. This is like external envelope responsible for U value, thermal properties, overall look, performance. So that's not only the skin. Heat loss is the energy. You're heating more building, you're losing energy. Lost energy means more carbon. So by insulating the house, you're reducing the bills by reducing the energy you need to heat the house. It could be gas, it could be electric, but say energy. So that's reduced. It's helping household, it's helping environment and reducing carbon. Full external package mean energy savings up to industry standard systems and durability, also lifetime span. It's the system low maintenance. That's the benefits.
We manage product durability by selecting materials and stiffness characteristics suited to the load and environment. We also validate performance under realistic operating conditions. We support construction machinery manufacturers by ensuring vibration is controlled at design stage. That improves durability, reduces maintenance and enhances operator comfort on site. Some of the most common vibration-related issues are resonance, excessive movement and premature wear. These typically arise when vibration characteristics haven't been properly calculated. Downtime has a direct commercial impact, particularly in heavy equipment. If a machine is out of service, productivity and revenue are immediately affected.
A growing skills gap is impacting the UK, making proper training more important than ever. Skilled workers are essential to operate advanced machinery safely, maintain high standards and support the industry's continued evolution.
The industry struggles with a massive skills gap, and there is an increasing need for technical training and knowledge transfer. Vibration engineering requires experience, and developing that expertise is important for the industry. An ageing workforce is a massive issue with people retiring while having little talent to replace them. It is up to the government and educational institutions to implement change and promote the industry.
Engineering covers a lot of other roles. You can have accountancy roles in it, you can have design roles, you can have manufacturing roles, you can have fabrication roles, sales, HR, It's a vast array of jobs potentially in engineering. We're located here in Omagh County Tyrone. It's a hub for engineering. So the opportunities to go into other roles within other companies, it's fantastic. And it's a skill set for life that I'd really encourage any young person to go for.
Training and is very important, to be successful contractors. We've been on the market of 20 years and all our projects are successful. But that's depending training. Make sure that people are capable to what they're doing, they got knowledge and the skills to do it right. I think the understanding and training of the installers, but not only a workforce on site. Actually, construction starting in office, in design team to design workable solutions, and of course something which will last for long, detailing. So that's what is important. Our service is slightly different from other markets, the competitors, as we've got our own workforce. That's our key strategy. We've got our own workforce, which the guys, on site, design team, they're working for only us for a long time. We know that they've got adequate training, they've got adequate knowledge and experience, where the competitors, they mainly base their workforce on like subcontractors. Subcontractors mean less control, and of course they're working on price, so easy money. Some can easy cut corners. Render sticks stand out as a quality because experienced people can actually done very nice and neat finish. Pay attention for details. That's what's standing out visually. But also wastage is another element. Good installers can limit the wastage of cuts of insulation.
Women in the construction industry, I believe that the perception slowly changes. When I started working on sites 8 years ago, there was hardly any woman on site, and now it slowly changes. I'm still one of the 2-3 women on site, and some men still think that I shouldn't be there. So I still think that women on building sites need to work extra hard to actually show that they know what they're doing, that they know what they're talking about, and they should be respected as much as a man. I remember the first time I entered a building site, and one of guys working for us came to me and said, "Karina, this is the first time I'm working with a woman. I've got no idea what to do with you." He still works for us, and he always says now that, I'm so glad you're on this side, that you're dealing with this, because I know it's going to be sorted. I think the training should be better, more trade school, for example, to encourage even youngers to join, make the perception of the job be different. It is hard job, and not for everyone, especially when you're working cladding rendering. This is external jobs, very weather depending, and winters are not really nice on sites.
The UK's industries stand at a pivotal point where innovation, sustainability, and skilled expertise must come together to meet future demands. Together, these industries have the potential to build not just structures, but a more sustainable and resilient future.